Welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to edit your phone number on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you've changed your number or just want to update your contact details, this quick tutorial will help you get it done smoothly. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on More. This will open a menu where you need to select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click on Account Center. This is where Instagram manages your personal details across Facebook and Instagram. Next, click on Personal Details to access your contact information. Now, click on Contact Info, and you'll see your current phone number listed there. To remove it, click Delete and confirm the action when prompted. This step ensures your old number is completely removed from your account. After deleting the old number, it's time to add your new phone number. Go back to Contact Info, then click Add New Contact, and select Add Phone Number. You'll be asked to enter your email address next. This is a security step to verify your identity. After entering your email, choose the Instagram account you want to update, then click Next. Instagram will send a confirmation code to your email. Enter that code in the space provided, then click Next to finalize the update. And that's it. Your phone number is now updated on Instagram using your PC. This process helps keep your account secure and your contact info current, making it easier to recover your account or receive important notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your Instagram details up to date for the best experience.